Good afternoon, my dear students. Welcome to Computer Online Class. How are you doing? I hope everyone is doing good, right? Okay, today we're gonna start a new chapter, that is chapter 3, Procedures and Loops in Logo. So do you know what is logo? Have you studied about logo programming last year in the previous class? Have you studied? Yes. Okay, just recall what is logo. Okay, so it's a simple computer language that is used to draw figures, type text and perform arithmetic calculations. In the previous class we have learned about drawing some shapes, right? So we have learned using logo, and we can type text and we can perform some arithmetic calculations as well, okay, using this logo. Okay. Just as you use a pencil to draw and write in your notebook, logo uses a pen for drawing. Okay, so to draw the shapes and figures, it will use a pen. Okay, and this pen looks like a triangle, and this is called turtle. Okay, so in logo, there's a pen which is triangular in shape, that is called a turtle. Okay, so before we start with logo procedures, let's see some of the logical operators used in logo. Okay. See, the numbers and variables can be compared to each other with the help of this logical operators. Okay. So you can compare the numbers and variables. Numbers means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are numbers. Okay. Variables means, see, numbers that can be changed. See, for example, we'll have two values a and b, or x and y. So this x and y can be any number. Okay. So in this case, it's a variable. Okay. So we can compare these numbers and variables using the logical operators. Okay. There are different logical operators used in logo, that is equal to, less than and greater than. So already in maths also you have learned this, right? See, for example, there are two values a and b. These are the variables. If suppose a is 5 and b is 7. Okay, consider a is 5 and b is 7. Okay, now see whether 5 and 7 are equal to, no, right? If a and b are equal to, then the result will be true. Okay, it's not equal to, 5 and 7 are not equal. So the result is false. Less than 5, a is 5, right? So 5 less than 7. Whether it is true? Yes. Okay, so the result is true. Next, a greater than b. 5 is greater than b. Whether it is true? No. So the result will be false. Okay. So now we will see what is a procedure. The method or steps that are followed to complete a given task is called a procedure. Okay, the method that we follow to complete a particular task, that is a procedure. The method or steps to be followed. Okay, so the procedure that we use in logo, it tells the turtle how to do a particular task in a step-by-step manner. Okay, so for each and every movement of the turtle, we have to give the instructions or commands, right? So this is nothing but the procedure. Okay, according to that, the turtle will do the particular task. Okay. So we have certain rules that we should follow while we are naming a procedure. Okay, the first rule, this is very important. All the rules are very important. You have 4 rules in total. Okay, so the very first rule, the procedure name may contain letters, numbers and some of the symbols. So you can use letters, numbers and you can use symbols. See, for example, rectangle, it contains letters and some symbols are there, right? And numbers are there. Circle at 2 and 154 exclamatory. Okay, so you can use letters, numbers and symbols. Okay. Next rule, the procedure name should not contain any blank spaces. See here, square 1, 2, 3. Is there any blank space in between? No. So this is the valid procedure name. If there is a blank space after square, if you leave a space, that will be wrong. Okay, so it's not valid, it's invalid. Okay, so the procedure name should not contain any blank spaces. Okay, and the third rule is the procedure name cannot be an MSW logo command. Okay, that is MSW is Microsoft Windows logo command. See, for example, RT, that is for giving the instructions to the turtle. We use this RT, right? Right, left, LT left, FT forward and BK backward. To move the turtle we use these commands, right? So these are MSW logo commands. But these commands should not be used in a procedure name. Okay, so these are all not valid procedure names. These are logo commands. So these commands should be only used in commands. Okay, you cannot use it as procedure names. And the last is the procedure name should not contain any symbols or arithmetic operators used in MSW logo. See, for example, you can use symbols like this, okay, hashtag and that you can use. But this kind of brackets, dots and arithmetic operators you cannot use in a procedure name. Okay, so these are the 4 rules. The first rule is you can use letters, numbers and symbols. And the number 2, you cannot use any blank spaces while you are naming. Okay, and number 3, procedure name cannot be an logo command. And 4th is you cannot use symbols or arithmetic operators that we use in logo commands. Okay. How to define a procedure? Okay, a procedure in MSW logo starts with 2 command. Okay, so how we will start the procedure? We will start with a 2 command. Okay, followed by a name that you should give to procedure. Okay, so you can give, if you want to draw a square, you can give a square. Okay, 2 square. So this is called defining a procedure. Defining a procedure is nothing but starting the logo command with 2 and followed by a name. Okay, this is defining. After that, you have to enter the set of instructions. See, for example, if you want the turtle to move forward or backward, right or left, these commands or instructions you can give after defining the procedure. And then at last you can give the end command. It indicates that procedure has been completed. So 3 set of things are there. First you have to define a procedure. And next step you have to enter the instructions, and at last step you have to end the procedure. That means you have to give end command. First you have to start or define, that is 2 command plus you have to give the name of the procedure. Okay. See here, first name of the procedure 2 square, it is the name of the procedure, right? So this 2 and square, this is nothing but defining the procedure. Okay, the square is the name of the procedure. And next, instruction to draw a square. Okay, this is the instruction. Repeat 4, forward 90, right 90. Okay, so forward 90 steps, then it will turn right 90 degree, then it will forward turn 90 steps, then turn right 90 degree. Likewise, it will draw a square shape. And finally, end of the procedure, you have to use end command. Okay. So next we will see how to write a procedure. Okay. There are 2 ways how we can write a procedure. We will see using the input box and using the editor window. Okay, this is very important. How we can write a procedure? There are 2 ways: using the input box and using the editor window. Okay. So first open Microsoft Windows logo. So when you open this, you can see a window like this, right? So center you can see a triangular turtle, right? This is turtle. Okay. So below you can see a commander window, and below that you can find the input box. Okay, this is the input box, and this is the commander window, and this is the main screen. Okay, so in the main screen you can see the turtle placed at the center. Okay, and next the commander window and input box. So as I told you before, there are 2 ways to write a procedure, that is using the input box and the editor window. So this is the input box where we will type the commands. Okay. See, first we will see how to write a procedure using input box. So click the input box here. I have clicked now. Okay. So see here the cursor appears here. Now first we have to define the procedure, right? So now we are going to draw a square. So first we have to define the procedure. So for defining, first you have to type which command? 2 command, and then space followed by name of the procedure, right? So I want to draw a square. So I will give square. Okay. Q-U-A-R-E. Okay, square. Click enter. See, you can see the user input box appears. Okay, 2 mode. So it's asking the input. So in this box you have to enter the command. See, we have to draw a square, right? So repeat 4 times. What you have to repeat. Forward you can give 200. Okay, so forward 20 steps, and then right 90 degree. Okay, then close the bracket. Okay, now click OK. So now we have given the commands and click OK. Finally we have to end the procedure, right? So type end and click OK. Okay, now see here, 2 square defined. Just we have written the procedure. Okay, so simply writing the procedure will not draw you anything, but you have to type square in the input box. Okay, type square. Now we have defined the procedure. Now you type square and click enter. See here, the square is drawn. Can you see? The square is drawn. How it is drawn, you know? So what are the commands I said? First, it will forward 100 or 200 steps, whatever you do, it will forward. Okay, so it will go like this, forward. And then it will turn right 90 degrees. So 90 degree right we have given, right? RT 90 means turn right 90 degree. So it will turn like this. Then again we have to repeat 4 times, right? So forward 100 or 200 steps again, and then right 90 degree, then forward 100 steps, then again right 90 degree and forward 100 steps. Finally we will reach this position. Okay, this is the way how this MSW logo draw a picture. Okay, this is using input box, right? Next we will see how to draw using the editor window. Okay, so now we have to open the editor window. For that, in the input box you click, you type edit. Okay, now we are going to draw a pentagon. Okay, so edit space double quotation pentagon. Okay, and press enter. See, now the editor window appears, right? Can you see here? Yes, editor to pentagon end, right? Or else one more thing, you can use this editor all. See this EDAL, this button also you can use it to open the editor window. Okay, now you can type the formula here. You can refer page number 36. You have the formula to draw a pentagon. Okay, so to pentagon click enter and you can repeat 5 times. Pentagon means 5 sides, right? So pentagon 5, forward 60. If you want 100 you can give 100. Okay, and right 72 degree. Okay, this is the formula. So if you turn right 72 degree, only then you will get a regular pentagon. Okay, so and end finally. Okay, so now you close it. See, it's asking a thing, that is contents have changed, save to workspace. You have to give yes. Okay, you have to save this. Okay, now it's saved. Now you type pentagon here. To run the procedure we have to type that procedure name, right? Pentagon. See, beautiful pentagon you got it, right? 5 sides, 1 2 3 4 5. See what happens? First it will forward 100 steps, then turn 72 degree. 90 degree means it will stand right, it will turn straight, right? So 72 degree it's like this. Okay, then again turn 72 and forward 100 steps. Likewise it will repeat 5 times and it has drawn a beautiful pentagon. Okay. Okay, my dear children, I hope everyone is clear with today's topic, right? If you have any doubts in this, you can contact me and you can clarify your doubts. If you have computers or laptops in your home, just you can Google it and you can download MSW logo in your computer and you can use these commands and you can try this. Okay. Okay, thank you dear children. Have a great day.